The online registration with first audition round for Northeast Specially Abled Got Talent India 2022 Season 1 has been organized by the Meghalaya's Talent Search Organization (Mtso) and supported by the District Social Welfare Office from 9 a.m. of the 2nd of May to 9 p.m. of the 16th of May 2022. This was announced by members of the Mtso at a press conference held in the city on 26th of April. The chief advisor of the Mtso, Sanat Basayaumai, while addressing the media, said that the intention of the organization is to encourage and provide local talent so that they can be promoted through the right exposure.
The intention is to encourage. We have been encouraging all the talented people of Meghalaya. We have been trying our best to, like as mentioned just now, we've been hunting for the talents from the nook and corners of Meghalaya, to bring them forward, to encourage them, to give them the platform that they need, because we found out that there are many people who are shy, who are extremely talented, but they don't get a proper platform. So because of that reason, we started this MEGHALAYA'S Got Talent. And then after that, we came up with this idea of why not let us also do a show for the specially able talent. And on saying that, I don't mean that we are trying to discriminate or anything. There's nothing like that. They can still come to compete in MEGHALAYA'S Got Talent also. So like I said, this shows competition is especially for them.
The General Secretary of the Mtso, Meristila Pongrop, also briefed media persons on upcoming events of the organization.
There are also upcoming events, that is the Northeast Specially Able Talent through online mode, Meghalaya's Got Talent Season 5 and Meghalaya's Specially Abled Got Talent Season 2. But as we also having the different section of our society, so just as we witnessed, there are always special quota for such section in our society and all over the world. So also we are doing the same thing by providing a special platform for them to showcase their skills and talents as an encouragement to them, and also to let them feel the worthiness of life.